All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter, naturally aspirated. Nice, good-looking car. I like the wheels on it. I don't know, they keep catching my eye. What do you guys think of the setup? I like it. Even Tim looked at it. You know what that means? It caught his eye too. Anyways, converters up there, secondary converters here. Then we took the resonator out and installed a Magnaflow Magnapack in its place. Part number 10415, right there. Then the piping continues 2 1/4 out the back. And then usually these come with a single exit, but they have the opening for the second that they have blocked off. I'll show you guys the plastic piece in a minute. So we're like, that's not cool. It needs to have the dual look. So we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see right there. Custom T pipe, we call it. Came out nice and clean. Sorry for the construction, guys. It never ends. They poured concrete and then they went back in and demolished it again. I thought they were done. But there's the Y pipe there into quad tips on each side. Came out really clean, really nice. So it's got Magnapack mids and rear deletes with quad tip. Came out clean and nice and beautiful. This is the plastic piece I was telling you guys about that they install on the other side. So you just unbolt it, then you can do a dual system on it instead of single. There's the muffler, there's the resonator that we cut off also. And there's all that construction for no reason. I don't know why they started pumping. I don't know what they're pumping, but yeah, there it is. If you guys don't know now, you know. All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Camry with Magnapack and rear delete. That's deep. Give it gas. That's clean. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Can you guys pronounce this town for me? Me and him, we were talking about that earlier. Again. That's clean. What do you guys think of this sound? Let me know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Again, guys, sorry for the construction, but they're hammering away, running pipe and all that. They're almost done. Look, everything is built and done, but somehow they're hammering again. I don't get it. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our beautiful shop. Good looking car. I love the color. Slow car slow. Gosh. Toyota Camry with a Magnapack mid and rear delete. Paddle shifted it too, which is perfect. That sounds phenomenal, guys. You can still hear it. That's awesome.